Hello everyone. Now I am living in Brazil and I am doing volunteer work here in Brazil. But before Brazil, I lived in other countries, a lot of countries. I lived in Korea, Sweden, Finland, Albania, and the Philippines. I really like talking with the people from other countries, and I really love learning new and exciting things. My hobby is cycling. So, when I go to a new country, I ride my bicycle and go on a little adventures. It's really fun and exciting for me. In our class, we will practice riding, reading, hearing, and the speaking. But don't worry, we will learn slowly and step by step, and we will have fun together. I can't wait to share funny and interesting stories from my adventures all over the world. Let's enjoy learning English. See you in class. Bye bye.